So if I were to go around over here and let's say compose out an email, and let me just go full screen right there and type in something, you can see that certain text formatting is applied. You can go around and change the text formatting from over here, but what you can also do is you can set out a default text format so that whenever you create a mail or reply to a mail, you have that format right there. So to do that, I'm just going to get out of this new mail right here and then go under settings right here and then click on see all settings. Once you go around over there, you can see the default text style right here. So right now you can see that the font selected is sans serif. So let me just go around and select out wide right here. And you can see a preview of how the text would look like over here. Let me just select hues and then select the color red right here. If you were to click on remove formatting, it'll just remove out the formatting entirely and get it back to default, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and change it back on to what I chose earlier. And now once we choose this, this becomes the default text format for typing in emails. So if I were to go around and click on save changes, now let's see how everything works out. If I were to go around over here and reply, and you can see that the cursor right here, the blinking cursor, is already red and large. And if I were to type in something, we see the format that we set as default being typed out right here. If I were to go around onto compose, same thing happens over here. Now this is the default format. Of course, you can go around and then select out and then further format it out over here how you like. But this is now the default format. As you can see, you can go around and change it according to how you like right here. Change around the text color as well, just like this, but this comes up as default. But if you want to go around and change out the default, then you simply go around onto the same place right here and then click on this button, which removes out the formatting and gets everything back to how it was. And once you click on save right here, what happens is that you can go around and then type in, and you can see that we get the default text formatting, that is text style, for typing out emails once more. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.